In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hood prop on your Ford Taurus. It's located on either side of your hood. Make sure you have supported your hood with maybe a spare hood prop from another car, or a broom, or a pry bar, anything, or maybe even just have somebody hold the hood up for you. You're going to pull this, you're going to use a flathead screwdriver and pull this little clip out. Keep a hand on the hood if you were by yourself, just to make sure that whatever you use is working. Ours is doing good, so I'm going to let that go. Same thing, flathead screwdriver on the top here, and release. So now we're going to install our hood prop. Just going to press on and press on. Okay, now we can take out our extra support. I gotta let go of it a little bit. Looks like it's working. Let's test it out. Beautiful. Now you can take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.